how to show or hide number row in Gboard keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, so you will see preferences here. Click on preference. You will see if you want to show or hide row number. So if you want to show number row, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see number row is enable and show. If you want to hide number row, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see number row is hide. So you will show or hide number row from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide number row in Gboard, Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.